Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's TheRealJDoll here on TheRealJDoll's channel, because why would it be anybody else's channel? I don't know either, exactly. So, in today's video, I'm going to be following Alana Fox's easy DIY photo canvas tutorial. It was super easy to make, super fun, and affordable, so if I can do it, I know that you can do it too. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Mainly subscribe because, honey, we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. I can smell it. I think we're like 300 subscribers away, and that's basically like 1,000. So why aren't we there yet? I don't know. Anyways, I want to put this in here because I have it hanging up in my room. It looks super cute, and I just want to show you all a little teaser. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so for this project I used a picture of myself, or whatever you want to use, scissors, Mod Podge, one of those paintbrush stick thingies, acrylic paint, canvas, a poster board, and that is all I pretty much used. Now the canvas and the photo size that I used was 16 by 20. I got my picture from Walgreens, just plugged my phone in, waited about an hour, and they printed it out in poster. The canvas I got from Hobby Lobby, it was about $5, and yeah, that was pretty much it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my picture, getting rid of all the white borders that are extra and unneeded. So now that that's done, I'm going to paint all 4 sides of the canvas with my paint. I'm also going to be a little messy with this on purpose, so that way if the picture doesn't align in every area, then it won't be any white seeping through, so it'll all look intentional. Okay, so now that the Mod Podge has been applied between the canvas and the picture, I hate how I say Mod Podge. Mod Podge. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more Mod Podge on top. You don't have to go into a design like that, because if it dries fast like it did for mine, it might leave a little streak. It's not heavy, but you probably just don't want to do it that way. I'm just gonna go ahead and paint it into a thin layer, and it took about 10 minutes max to dry. This was probably one of the easiest projects I've done in a long time, and I am so satisfied with the results that I got with this project. I love it so much, and it all looks like it's supposed to be together. It all looks like one. There's no lifting or anything, no bubbling, no nothing. Super easy. Anybody can do it. You can give it as a gift or even just keep it for yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.